everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Colors of Pakistan, Unit 7, Grade 4, Part 13 based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Write a dialogue between two friends discussing the different festivals of Pakistan. Did you ever attend the Nowruz festival? Yes, we went there last year. What did you saw there? I saw many things. I enjoyed it very much. We are going now. I am really excited. Really? Good luck. Creative writing. Have you ever attended any cultural festival? Share your experience in a short paragraph. You have to tell me if you have ever attended any cultural festival. You have to share experience with everyone in your class and you have to make a short paragraph about it. Well, you must be thinking that why am I so excited today? That's why I'm excited because this is the last lecture of Unit 7. Yay! So, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.